This is my quarter one assessment, the piecewise function problem for the benchmark. And this is the piecewise function that I was given. And now I'm going to start with the first equation. So I'll go 2x plus 1 and negative 2. You put negative 2 in. Negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. So the solution for this problem, or the point, would be negative 2 comma negative 3. That's the answer to the first one. Now the second one would be negative 2. There's two numbers in here, so I'm going to have to put both of them in. So negative 2 again times negative 2 plus 3. See what I did was I put negative 2 in for x. So the answer, negative 2 times 2 is positive 4. And then you add 3, you just get 7. That's the answer to the first one. So the first point for this one would be negative 2 comma 7. And that one will be a closed circle. So I'm going to just write like a little dot there to remind me it's a closed circle. And then this one, open circle. This one also the same. This is the second one, so I'm going to do negative 2. This time will be times 5. So negative 2 times 5 plus 3. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10. And then you just want to add 3 to negative 10, which will get you negative 7. Yeah, I'm just looking over and making sure this is right. Yeah, so negative 7. And so the points for this one will be 5, comma, negative 7. So this one will be an open circle. So I'll write open, do a little open dot there to remind me. And then on this one is also an open circle. And last one, you put, since it's just a single number, you just get to put 5, and then you just do 2. And since that's the final point, now I can go over here and graph it. And I'm going to do this one first because it seems very easy. So we go over 5, 2. This one is a closed circle. Closed circle on 5, 2. So I'll do that. And now this is what I messed up on before, which way it'll go. Since it's just a single number, I'm pretty sure that it'll just go continuously this way, since this is pointing this way. I'm pretty sure that means that on my graph goes that way forever. I think it'll go that way. And since that is that one done, I'll just put like a star down. No. And then now I got 2 points for this one, so they'll be connecting. On negative 2, 7. Negative 2, 7. It'll be a closed circle. Negative 2, 7. And then it'll be an open circle on 5, negative 7. And I'll connect these two. Make sure I get this right. There, that's the second one. So check, check. And now the final one, -2, -3. So I'll go over here, just go -2, -3, which is right here. It's an open circle. And now, pretty sure that the slope is 2. So I think that it'll be going upward. That's the point, -2, 3. I think that it'll intersect. This is a little tricky. -2, -3. I think that since the arrow is pointing this way, that it's going to go kind of this way, but the slope is 2, so I think you got to go 2 over 2. I think it'll pass through the point -4. Yeah. Kind of guessed a little bit on 2 of those points. Because I think that is somewhat close to what it should be. And now I'll move on to domain and range for this problem. And I think that the domain is -infinity, positive infinity. And I think that's because it's going, both of them are going from negative to positive. And then I think that the range, this one is, I think that the range will be I think that the range will be also I think it'll be positive infinity to negative infinity, so the opposite of what domain is. And that is my solution. That was the problem. Those are the points I got from the problem, the graph that I got from the points, and the domain and the range that I got from the graph.